Hello guys! Ayan, nagluto ako ng pusit at saka yung ah, shrimp. Ayan guys, yung broccoli, saka bell pepper, saka yan, onion. Narito ko na guys, ayan. So, ito ko din yung garlic, saka onion. Ayan guys, nalagyan natin ng soy sauce at saka lagyan ko na ng mga soy sauce at saka salt, black pepper at oyster sauce. Ayan guys, yalo ko na yung yung broccoli at saka yung mga chili big peppers guys. Ayan na guys, luto na guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.